Alright, doing dual exhaust on this 97 K1500. I hate duals. Got this one laying here in the right place. Just gotta tack it and weld it up. This is the easy side, by the way. And here it is. This side's welded up. I'm not a welder, by the way, but it won't leak, I promise you that. Everything clears. Got this laying up here, mocked up. Just gotta spot weld it. This one's straight. And now I got this one tacked where I want it. It's not touching anything, which is the worst side to do. I should have did this one first. I just gotta finish the welds and it's done. Man, I hate dual exhaust.